Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Stick around.
Beachy Beach.
Today we have a 2-bedroom condo to show you over at Emerald Isle, very popular on the west end of Panama City Beach.
I love this complex because you've got the parking garage, but you also have a walkover, and that's nice and convenient, especially in the heat.
If you get a hankering for fried okra or raw oysters, you're right across the street from Mike's Diner. So there's that.
Yes.
Okay.
Perfect.
What did you like about this unit?
Actually, my favorite part of this unit is being on the westward facing views. You've got the sunset every night, and you're on that west side of the building.
Nice spacious balcony. You will be very pleased by how big the balcony is. One of the things I love about this unit is that you have access to the big spacious balcony, not just from the living room, but also from the master bedroom
Absolutely.
as well.
And it allows you to open that door and just listen to the waves at night. Then this unit is really great. You've got all the space you need, and you can make it yours from top to bottom.
No carpet.
Because it's coming with no furnishings, no carpet. You could change the paint or keep the paint. It's kind of coastal ready. And this one would be perfect for you to put your touches on.
Absolutely. And we noticed the kitchen has stainless steel appliances, lots of cabinetry space. It's just, like you said, ready to go. Popular end of the beach, west end, minutes to shopping and restaurants. We'd love for you to give us a call. If you're looking for a condo on the west end of PCB under $600,000, give us a call.
For more details, look in the description below. You can click on the MLS listing link and get all the information.
And make sure you don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Don't miss out on any future deals like this one.